The Vivo Y300 series already consists of 3 devices, and the company is preparing to launch a 4th member in China soon. The Y300 5G is set to debut on Monday, December 16th, and we have some of its key specs ahead of the big unveiling. The device is shaping up to be a media powerhouse with a massive rear-mounted speaker housed inside the camera ring that's co-developed with AAC Technologies, a Chinese acoustics manufacturer. The Vivo Y300 5G is a versatile mid-range smartphone designed to deliver excellent performance and modern features. It sports a 6.67-inch AMOLED display with a full HD Plus resolution of 1080 by 2400 pixels, offering vibrant colors and sharp clarity, along with a 120Hz refresh rate for smooth scrolling and interactions. Powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 4 Gen 2 chipset, the device includes 8 GB of RAM and storage options of up to 256 GB, expandable via microSD. Its dual camera setup includes a 50MP main sensor and a 2MP depth sensor, while the front-facing 32MP camera ensures high-quality selfies. The Y300 5G packs a 5000 mAh battery with 80W fast charging, capable of reaching 80% charge in about 30 minutes, and runs on FunTouch OS 14 based on Android 14. Additional features include an in-display fingerprint sensor, dual stereo speakers, and an IP64 rating for durability, making it a well-rounded choice for users.